Good day, everyone. This is your European Open briefing for Tuesday, August 30th, 2016. I'm Selena Nicholas, currency analyst at XM.com. So let's look at what's going on in the currency markets. So the expectations for a rate hike by the Fed are still driving the markets. Dollar holds on to gains made after Yellen's speech at Jackson Hole on Friday. It's taking a bit of a breather today. Markets are turning their focus to Friday's US non-farm payrolls. That's a big event of the week. And Japan released mostly better than expected data earlier in the Asian session today. So the barrage of data out of Japan briefly boosted the yen early in Asian trading. We had Japanese household spending. It declined less than expected for the month of July, and the unemployment rate hit a two-decade low. Household spending rose by 0.5% on an annualized rate last month, and that beat the forecast for a drop of 1.3%. The jobless rate was down as well, from 3.1% to 3%, and retail sales showed a 0.2% decline, although this was less than the 1.3% drop in June in the previous month. So yen briefly gained. We saw the dollar yen drop on the news, but of course, the yen wasn't able to hold on to its gains. We saw the dollar-yen pair rise back up into the 102 handle, beating Friday's high. So the dollar index is up again today. It beat Friday's high. The expectations of a rate hike by the Federal Reserve is keeping the dollar underpinned. The main highlight of the week is the US jobs data on Friday. Non-farm payrolls will play a key role into the Fed's decision-making regarding policy. So yesterday we had some US data, PCE price index, closely watched by the Fed. There was no renewed downside pressure, so that was good news. And we also had US personal income and personal spending data, both in line with expectations, and this helped keep the dollar supported. We have some oil gains this morning, although gains were limited. There is still ongoing concern about an oversupply of oil. Recently there were hopes of a production freeze deal at the upcoming OPEC meeting, although there are fading hopes of an actual agreement being made now. So we saw WTI oil last trading just above $47 a barrel. Looking at the economic calendar today, it's quite busy. We have UK mortgage approvals, Eurozone economic sentiment data, and the final reading of Eurozone consumer confidence. In the afternoon, we have German preliminary inflation data. And out of the US, we have some housing data, the US Case-Shiller report. And very important for oil prices, we should look at the API weekly crude inventory report. And also we have a Fed speaker, Vice Chairman of the Federal Reserve, Stanley Fischer, is due to speak on Bloomberg TV. And keep in mind, on Friday at Jackson Hole, Fischer in his comments hinted that September is very much in play for a rate hike. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.